Hello, Sir Jim. This is a reflection about Western thoughts. But before that, I will introduce myself and my co-groupmates. I am Princess Jane L. Silao, and my co-groupmates Gina May Felicita, Abigail Clement, Josh Angelo Moraga, and Vincent Sestoso. When I reflect on the self in Western thoughts, I realize how it focuses on individuality and self-awareness. Philosophers like Socrates thought that we must examine our lives to truly understand who we are. Plato believed that the self is more than just our body, it is our soul that seeks wisdom and truth. Descartes once said, I think, therefore I am, reminding us that our ability to think and reason defines our existence. And Sigmund Freud showed that our self is shaped by both conscious thoughts and hidden desire. As I reflect, I realize that understanding myself means more than just knowing my name or my dreams. It's about knowing my thoughts, beliefs, and values. Western thoughts teach me that through reflection and reason, I can shape who I am and who I want to become. And that's our reflection. Thank you for watching, sir.